Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Vet from Avery Home Search, and today I have something very non-traditional. As you can see behind me, yes, I have a staircase. I left half of it from Christmas. Decided I'd decorate it for Valentine's Day. Anyway, let me take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for joining me today. If you're new or you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. You know I appreciate you all. Alright, I want to just make sure I let you guys know, in case you were wondering, I did do a video and I had to remove it. I removed it because I could not hear myself. I played it back and I could not hear myself. So I decided to create some new content like this and just put that content behind it. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and stay to the end and you'll see it. You'll see the shout outs and everything. For some reason, yeah, I could not hear anything. It sounded fine in the editing process, but for some reason after I posted it, yeah, it did not sound right. Okay, so this is a non-traditional Valentine's idea. I'm going to show you this during the day. The sun's going down and it illuminates, it lights up at night. It's kind of like you can see a little of the pink and white that comes out at night. But yes, let me know what you think about that. And I also use these wisteria vines in a tablescape. That's the one that I tried to post and didn't come out. The audio didn't come out. So let me know what you think, guys. And I will see you on the next one. Hi, and thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm doing a tablescape in my dining room. I'm showing you how to create a cute, simple, inexpensive tablescape for Valentine's Day. But first I want to say hello and welcome to everyone who has been with me forever and who has tuned in for the first time. As you know, I do shout outs at the end of every video for the top 10 comments, so you want to hit that notification bell so that you be notified and you can comment so that you can get your channel shouted out. Now here is the base of this tablescape. As you see, I've got my charger at the bottom. It's a glass charger. I've got my cake. I got some wisteria vines here laying across with my centerpiece, and I've got this gold and silver vase on top of my charger that I DIY'd with some crushed glass and glitter. And on top of that, there's a mirror with these diamond studs circling it. So I put a candle holder on top of this mirrored diamond stud creation, and I've taken some roses from Dollar Tree and I've put them on top of the mirror and actually filled in the candle holders. I'm going to add these plates. You see these plates settings are just rectangle, simple white plates on top of a DIY charger. Now I've added some wine glasses and I put more napkins inside of them. So this is a pretty clean look, not a lot of color, but the next table setting that I'm going to show you will have a pop of red in it. Not a lot. I'm going to show you exactly now what I'm going to take out. My next table setting, I'm going to keep the plates. I'm going to keep the charger at the bottom of the centerpiece and the base, the DIY base on top of the centerpiece. What I will be removing are the wine glasses. I'm going to put new wine glasses, and that candle holder with the roses on top, I'm going to be replacing that with a vase with roses on top. And I will put some red roses in place of some of the white roses so that you can get an extra pop of color throughout the plate setting and throughout the centerpiece. And as you can see, I've got some red in my wine glasses. Here's a closer look of my napkins so that you can see what I've added, my touch of color to the napkin ring. And here is that matching vase on top of the centerpiece with the roses. The red roses have been added to that. And it's pretty much that simple. I took the candle holder that was sitting on top and I just put it on the bottom of the centerpiece to give it a different look. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. I think I like the red. I think that's my favorite. I've been trying to be creative and do some things with these wisteria leaves. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, I decorated my staircase for Christmas with them. And I'm not doing a Valentine's Day tree, but I am doing a Valentine's Day staircase. And yes, I do have the wisteria leaves. And I'm going to leave it to your imagination to try to figure out how I'm going to decorate my staircase for Valentine's Day. So I can't wait to show you that video. I think if you enjoyed the Christmas staircase, you will definitely enjoy the Valentine's Day staircase. So guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. And I'm going to go ahead and end it and let you take a look at this week's shout outs. So just remember, if you're new, hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when I create a new video, and you can comment. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day.